Okay, so back again with another video. We're going to be looking a little bit more into currency pairs because I got a lot of questions on those. So these indicators work amazing on indices and get up to a 95% accuracy on indices. However, we didn't get to look at any currencies, so we're going to go look at those. Right now we're on GBP/JPY. We got an alert earlier that told us there was a sell. So if you don't know what our alerts look like and you're totally new here, our indicators show you everything you need to know when it comes down to your entry, your stop loss, and take profit 1 and 2 for all of your signals. So you can sit here and literally just plug in our signals and use this as a signal service. So a lot of people sit here and they purchase a bunch of signal services out there and they're looking for something where somebody's doing the trading for them. But in the reality, you're taking a blind signal. You don't know exactly what's going on. You don't know the meaning of it. You don't even get to learn anything because you don't know what was happening or what made it happen like that and what the structure of what the market looked like. You're just like plugging in a signal. This is basically plugging in a signal, but knowing exactly what's going on and being able to monitor how it works and being able to learn about it and basically expand and grow and not just be living off of somebody's signals. You can actually learn how to make a lot of money trading for yourself while using these signals and being able to see exactly what's going on. So now that that's past us, GBP/JPY, we got a sell signal. It will be sent directly to your phone. So if you have TradingView, you would just download the TradingView app. You'll get access to the TradingView app, of course. If you're already a Forex trader, you know what that is. And you'll get access to the indicators when you join. So here is GBP/JPY with an entry, stop loss, take profit 1 and 2. That's an alert that popped up on my phone earlier. And if you want to see how that one successfully played out, it was right there. Beautiful signal that played out. You can adjust your stop loss however you want. You can adjust your take profits to be bigger if you want to. We have tons of settings that you can go through. I like quick scalping, so this is just the stock settings that I set it to. When I open up my indicator, you can put a bar color on. You can adjust the coloring of everything if you want. Be my guest. Customize it to your liking. Make trading fun for yourself if you really want to do that. But the 15-minute chart for GBP/JPY has an 87% accuracy. So what we're going to do here, I'm going to pull out my little arrow so we can kind of point to things. And right here, we have an 87% accuracy of hitting take profit 1, 81% accuracy of hitting take profit 2, and unfortunately, we do hit stop loss sometimes, and that's 12%. So here's our stop loss, here's our entry, and here's take profit 1 and 2. And what I always like to do, and you can leverage this little trick when you learn how to use MetaTrader 4 in our training, you can learn how to take your stop loss and drag it down into profit before it hits take profit 1. So you can let it ride out if you want to take profit 2 and still be profitable if it snapped back and hit around where your entry is. So what I always do is I take my stop loss, I drag it down into profit before it hits take profit 1, and I let it ride a little bit in this area or even down even more if our momentum indicator is showing a 90%. So this momentum indicator is going to help you tremendously because instead of having a bunch of RSIs and stochastic oscillators and pivots and MAs, you literally have it all pushed into this little indicator right here, giving you a summary of what all the most popular strategies use, whether it's pointing to a sell or buy or neutral because it's unsure. It will put it into a percentage base right here and we'll say, for instance, 18% is showing a buy, 28% is showing neutral, and 53% is showing a sell, which means obviously it's going down for a sell. Now we got this little pullback that happened here. I would have already been out already because it hit take profit 1 and 2. Now this one was a buy signal. It hit take profit 1 and 2 as well, and that was sent out to your phone if you have the indicators. And let's go look at some other things going on. So let's go look at the 5-minute chart on GBP JPY. These work on all currencies, all stocks. So if you want to put these on stocks, if you want to put it on indices, if you want to put it on the currencies, you can. You can also put this on any time frame you want. As you can see, this is on a 5-minute time frame. And we had a beautiful sell here. And we had a beautiful buy. Unfortunately, actually, not really. Because if you always set it to take profit 1, this hit take profit 1 right here. So that hit take profit 1, this hit take profit 1 and 2, and this is a beautiful sell signal. So that is GBP JPY. Here is GBP USD, and we have a great signal here that hit take profit 1. Almost touched take profit 2, but I would have set it for take profit 1 and walked away if I was busy. So that would have been a good 29 pips. And that's on 5-minute chart. As you can see, another buy. We had another buy right here that hit take profit 1 and 2. And let's go to the 15-minute chart. You can put this all the way up to a 1-hour chart. So this is a 15-minute chart, and this is beautiful trade. Hit take profit 1 and 2, 38 pips. Beautiful. So this is basically what it looks like on currencies. Sorry, my kids are playing and screaming outside with my husband. I'm going to get back to them. I just wanted to give you a brief overview of what our indicator does, how you get to see everything. And if you want more information, go to firestormtrading.com or go to Firestorm Trading on Instagram. You can see hundreds of testimonials, more video results. Our website has tons of videos going over everything. So you can go on there. You can sign up. We're running a promo right now. Take advantage of that. Have your own signal service that you get to see what's going on. Talk to you soon.